see my hair. Okay, take one, I guess. Hi, world. Kit is back. No. Hello, world. Kit is back online, making videos, doing what they do. Not the best, actually. So yeah, I haven't been the best at keeping on top of wanting to make video content for you guys here on my social media and on YouTube. It's hard to make time for these things, you know, and maybe that's one of the topics that we'll discuss in my videos in the future. Luckily enough, I have made time for my smoothie here as I get ready for a little workout, which is, you know, working out. Good for your body, good for your brain, and that's what we're here to talk about, folks, is your beautiful brain, as all of us experience different aspects of mental health. I am here to support you, to advocate for you, really to give you a lot of tips and tricks that I know can be helpful for your mental health. So we're kicking off March with doing at least a video a week. I'm also going to commit to celebrating myself, celebrating others in various posts throughout the week, and also some gratitude posts as well, so look out for that. Celebrations, gratitude, also really good things for your mental health, as well as working out that beautiful mind and your body, your body, your body. So yeah, kickstarting off March with some nice fun stuff. I wanted to have at least a month of videos for you guys as we move from March into April. Woo! Weather getting nicer, sun's out, all that fantastic stuff. In April, however, we will be celebrating 6 years since my dad died of suicide, and we unfortunately will not be doing the James's Journey walk this year. It's a ton of work that is super what's the word I'm looking for? It's very rewarding work, and we love seeing all of you guys out there, but we are going to take a break this year, a much needed break. And what I want to do instead is actually just invite all of y'all to still do your own little walk with your fam jam, with your friends, post about it, tweet about it, Facebook about it, Insta it, and yeah, just to continue the discussion and all that great stuff. So that's what I'm at least planning to do going into April. So I'll see you guys all out on the streets at that time. And that is it for now. I hope you enjoy my little goofy rant over here, my little banter. And I very much enjoy hearing from you guys, seeing you guys a little bit more on a regular basis. Okay, thanks. Love you lots. Bye. Have, excuse me, a little chia seed there.